What's up, future fam? Aaron here. So Ebony's out of town on a little business trip. I decided we got some avocados that are about to go bad, so we got to use them. So I'm gonna try throwing an avocado in one of my protein shakes, try a new recipe, throw it in the blender, see what the smoothie comes out like. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but we're in this together, right? If it turns out great, I'll share the recipe. If not, shh. All right, so let's get into it. All right, first thing first, protein, peanut butter, honey, avocado, hard-boiled egg. I thought we had frozen bananas, but apparently we don't. I'm gonna throw some blueberries in there. We'll see what happens. Almost forgot. Need some milk. All right, guys, moment of truth, here it is. I'm gonna try it, let's see how it is. As you know, I'm not as picky as Ebony, but I'll let you know my opinions. Here we go. You know what? I like it. It doesn't taste much different than the regular shakes that I make. The blueberry definitely adds a nice touch to it. Now, you know what? Can't even tell there's avocado in here. And definitely can't tell there's a hard-boiled egg. That's crazy. You guys didn't think I put a hard-boiled egg in here, did you? Come on now. I'll catch you guys next time.